ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து ஓரிரவில் ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளித்து வளர தரிக்கிலானாயித்தான் தீங்கு நினைந்த கருத்தை பிழைப்பித்து கஞ்சன் வயிற்றில் நெருப்பென்ன நின்ன நெடுமாலே உன்னை அறுத்தித்து வந்தோம் பறைதருதியாகில் திருத்தக்க செல்வமும் சேவகமும் யாம் பாடி வருத்தமும் தீர்ந்து மகிழ்ந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். This is a beautiful pasuram, the last of the pasurams where Andal wakes up Krishna. So she sums up his birth so very well and adds glory to the mothers who have given birth to him and raised him. Oruthi maganai pirandu, you are the one who is born to a lady. A single one indicates Oruthi maganai pirandu. Now comes a question. All of us are born to one mother. What does this one indicate? Because in the Indian literature parlance or the Indian languages that we speak, let's take Tamil for example. Ondru means one. Oruthi means one lady. Oruvan means one man. But it doesn't indicate only the number one. It also adds uniqueness to the number. For example, if there are medical practitioners, they may say that, see, looking at your report, I understand that this disorder could be one amongst 1,000. So you can say, I am the one in the 1,000. Ayirathil nan oruvan. Likewise, Krishna, Paramatma in Krishna Avataram could have chosen any woman to be the mother, but the fortunate one was Devaki. So she is the unique one. Oruthi maganai pirandu. So you were born to that unique lady. Oruthi maganai olithu valara. So you were raised by another unique lady called Yashoda. How is the uniqueness present in both? For Devaki, Vedanta Deshika tells, Seshe Shayanam Garudena Yantim Padme Nishannam Adhiratna Peetham. While Devaki was having Paramatma as a little fetus in her amniotic sac, and she would walk within her jail premises, she would feel as if she's flying. Worried that there was some health problem with her, she would recline on the ground to realize that the ground was very slithery. Vedanta Deshika explains the reason for her feeling that she's actually flying and for her finding that the ground is very slippery. It is because Garuda became the Vahanam while the Lord was in her womb, and Adisesha became the couch while she was reclining on the ground. Seshe Shayanam Garudena Yantim Padme Nishannam Adhiratna Peetham. So here, Devaki was fortunate that way. How fortunate is Yashoda? For Yashoda, there are plenty of compositions. Taye Yashoda Bundana Yerkula Tudita. On another note, Yenadavam Shaidane Yashoda Yengum Nirai Parabrahmam Amma Vendraleka. So, in both these cases, we realize that Yashoda is also an equivalently important mother. So, while she is equally an important mother, what was that night? That was even more unique. Oriravu. Because that was one night where the fetters that were tied to the feet of Vasudeva and Devaki opened by themselves. Vedanta Deshika asks, what is so surprising in this? The one who is about to take our karma fetters is born. So what is about these iron fetters opening by themselves? Likewise, it was a very unique night. Oruthi maganai pirandu, oriravil oruthi maganai olithu valara. So the one who was born as Krishna is born to Devaki. The same Krishna is being nurtured by Yashoda. Now, what feelings did he give to his uncle, the tyrant uncle, the one who was filled with wrath? That is Kamsa. Kanjan vayittil neruppenna ninna nedumale. Andal tells that after Krishna's birth, Kamsa used to send one demon or demoness, one after the other, to harm Krishna, to kill Krishna. Came Putana, Shakata, who's Utkacha, Trinavarta, Baka, Keshi, Pralambha, Dhenuka, so many asuras. One after the other Krishna had to win. But every time he fought a demon or a demoness, the inhabitants of the Vrajakulam, be it Yashoda, her friends and the menfolk, they were all equally worried that some harm would be meted to Krishna. They could neither consume food nor water. It was as if there was a big ball of fire in their stomach, and that would cause them a lot of agony. Krishna thought, these are people who are dependent on me. These are people who love me immensely. How can I let the fire stay in their stomachs? So it seems the Vyakhyata, the commentator says, he picked that ball of fire from each of their tummies. So if we have 5 lakh people, fire 1, fire 2, fire 3, fire power 5 lakh. So all the fire, the Agni, the heat was put together, and now Krishna ended up in a huge ball of fire. He did not know where to keep this. While he looked around, he saw his uncle Kamsa's tummy empty. So he kept all of this there to imply that it was not the Vrajavasis who were worried. They were worried. All that fear was transferred to Kamsa, because Kamsa, the moment Krishna was born, was only worried as to where is he born, who is he, how is he, what is he going to do, when am I going to die. So this fear factor existed as a big ball of fire within the tummy, the stomach of Kamsa. Kanjan vayittil neruppenna ninna nedumale. Is there a precedent to it? Yes. So it is believed that Hanuman lit the fire in Lanka, but most of our acharyas say no. It was the fire that emanated out of the separation caused between the loving couple of Rama and Sita that eventually burnt Lanka. Yat shokavanyam janakatmajayaha. Similarly, Kanjan vayittil neruppenna ninna nedumale unnai aruttittu vandom parai tarudi agil. I am sure you will give us moksham. Of course, parai means the vadyam, the musical instrument. But then she also says, parai taradi agil, you will be blessing us with moksham. Parai taradi agil, tiruttakka selvamum sevagamum yampadi. But here we are to only offer unconditional surrender to you, Krishna. We have come here to experience you. We have come here to surrender. At least now, showcase yourself. Take mercy on us. I am sure you would have woken up. I have woken you in Pasuram 21, 22, 23 like a lion, 24. I have said that you will have to live for years together for having done all these achievements. Now, Krishna, that you are the son of a great mother Devaki and a great mother Yashoda. You were born in the unique night. You were the one with your valor to vanquish your own uncle Kamsa. We are nobody. We are little girls aspiring for your love and grace. Please come and bless us, tells Andal in the 25th Pasuram.